This is a video on how to make a video in what used to be Adobe Voice. It's now Adobe Creative Cloud Express, and all of you should have access to Adobe products through the university. If you don't, please let me know and I can send you the link on how to sign up for that. Okay, to make a video, now you can create lots of different things in here. I'm going down to the very last button, which is video. And I should tell you that I've already logged in to my account. It will ask you for your university account, and it'll say, are you logging in through university? And you'll say yes, and then it'll take you to your net ID and log in. This is how you make a video. So I've gone into the video. Here's a title, which you can change later. And then it gives you these nice little templates. I always go to the very last one, which is make my own. So I'll click on pick this one. And then it'll do its little setup. Okay, and then you get this great little screen. So there's a record button. You can add video within this. You can add text. So let me just put test. And then you can hit, whoop, you can drag and drop things. You can move it around. I want to add something else. I'm going to add a photo. So think about what your topic is. So if you're giving out like a weekly reminder, you could do something. I search for free photos. Like say it's the first week. I want to send out a reminder for week 1. So I want to use this number 1. And you see that it inserted into the program. Now I might change something like that. Okay, and then you've got this little button here where you can record. So let me show you how to do that. You can either touch your screen or use your mouse. Okay, so this is just a test. And then it said, you can, if you didn't like it, you can record it again. Just hit the record button. You can always test it. Okay, so this is just a test. And you can see it adds music and so on. I'll show you how to do that in just a minute. Whoop. Oh, come on. Anyway, okay, so you can add more slides. So just by hitting this plus button, and you can see it gives you another one, and then you can do the same thing. So fill out whatever you need to. Now, up here, there are other buttons like layout, how you want your screen to look. So you can have a split screen here, where on one side you can have text, and one side you can have photos, and so on. You can do captions in here. I will say what I tend to do in these is I type out everything that I'm going to say because it doesn't have a closed caption. So if I say, this week you'll be doing an essay, I'm going to type that out as I say it. There are different themes you can pick from. So, and that will change the look of your slides. And you can go and hit this play button if you want to test it out. You can change the colors of the background and so on. You can resize this. You can make it widescreen or make it square. And you can't quite see, there's a little button over here that you can probably see an M. It's music, so you can choose different types of music. Say, and if you want to test it out, or something like that. So I'll pick the medieval times. And you can also add your own music, make sure it's copyright free. And then be really careful with music because you want to make sure that students hear your voice and not the music. So I turn the volume way down so there's just some background music. You can see there's a whole bunch of stuff you can choose from. Okay, so when you're done, you can click on share and it will give you a URL, or you can hit download. And what it will do is it will prepare it for you, and then it will give you the file. And then you, in Blackboard, it won't take an Adobe Express URL as media. So you can give students either the direct link, which is what I do, or you can upload the file into YouTube and then have it play there, which is kind of not a good way to do it. But then anyway, you can see that it's downloaded. and you can see that it's an MP4 file already. So that's how you'd make a little video in Adobe Express.